So far, we've helped, oh my goodness, wonderful woman with twin daughters. Quite the story. Quite the story.
Very.
And such a happy ending. I thought she was going to knock me over.
In excitement.
Seriously.
I mean, there's Mike and his family.
Yes.
Yeah.
Michael.
Yeah, Michael.
His name is Michael.
That's
like
true.
yours.
That's true.
There's a lot of Mikes. It gets a little confusing
Well,
for
it was
some of
hard
us.
on this job site because his dad's Michael. He's Michael.
He's a Michael.
He's
You're a
I'm
Michael. You're a
Mike.
Michael.
Sound man's Mike.
Michael.
How many mics do we have? There's an awful lot of mics.
Yeah, it's a lot.
It's like M&Ms.
So Michael has autism, and he's been watching your show literally since Homes on Homes day one. He knows every trade. He knows all about your family. He even knows that we have another sibling who's not on camera. I mean, he
Yes, he knows her
everything.
name.
Everyone's name.
Walking through the house, he's picking up at problems. And I mean, we surprised Michael, and just seeing his reaction, I mean, I can't wait for everyone else to watch this.
And I think it was even more fun introducing Michael into the trades because Michael really took some enjoyment out of it, and we might have another tradesman.
He wants to work with us full time.
So with Michael, they really needed to renovate Michael's home. He's living there with his family. They needed an update, and Michael's going to be living there for the rest of his life. So they want to make sure that it's done properly. Now, the catch there is that he only wants Mike Holmes to do his house. In fact, when one of our guys went there to look at the job, he said he was a contractor, and Michael said, well, Mike Holmes says you need at least 3 quotes. You have to compare the quotes, so we need to get 2 more contractors in there. I mean, he is a diehard. Everything, you are like, your word is his go-to. He's like, whatever Mike says, we'll do that.
He doesn't like change. He wears the same white shirt, not the same one. He's got probably 7 for each day of the week. White shirt, jeans, eats the same lunch every single day. No change. So the only way to make change in his house is for me to go, it's all coming down. Then he says, okay.
I really thought you were going to say make it right in there.
Well, he said that.